Hello everyone and all sweet beloved Webtalkers. Today I'm gonna share interesting things about Webtalk. When we make post at that time we couldn't make it properly and people we couldn't get user engagement or anyone out of your connection he or she couldn't make you comment. So that's the problem. So right now I'll share how properly you can make a post when you make any kind of post in Webtalk. So suppose right now I want to make a post and okay, right now I want to share this post and I will make a post here, but before that I should tag some people. And how I can make tag, first of all I want to you need to hit at the red button and then you will write name, 2 letters of any name. So you can see there are some people appears and you can click and then these people will be added in your tag. And if you want to make another tag, so you will do same job, click on or hit on at the red button and then you will make 2 letters BA. You can see some people appears here and who is close to you, you can tag him or her. Suppose this person is close to me, and no problem if there is he or she is close to you or not, you can tag everyone like this. So that's the point when you make tag. And second one is you will go to share with whom you are going to share. So you will make it public, and if you want to share professional contacts you can do. I hope if you use it you can understand clearly. So right now when you make a post for public, that time of course you will do this job, allow public comment. You can see it, you will click on that box and you can see right now this box is full with a green color. So right now everyone out of your connection can make you comment. So if I make post and these people get a notification and everyone can give you comment, emoji, share, so you can get user engagement. So when you make post, make sure to do this 2 job. One is tag people and second one is public post and allow everyone to comment. So that's the point, and you will make post. And here second one I want to share. Suppose okay, I'm going to share it. I think this post is important and many learners can connect with Jack Busma. So right now what I will do here, suppose I made the comment here, it's okay, but I want to give this notification to some people. I want to inform to some people. So in a comment box you will make some tag. Suppose I want to inform these people, this man, about this post. So I will make a tag here, and another one is, suppose I want to share it with Tariq Hassan. So this person will get a notification of this post, and I want to give another notification to another people, that is Shiraz and so he will get this notification of this post. So by this way, when you want to you want to give a notification of any kind of post in Webtalk, and you want to inform that about the information or anything else, that you can make this tag in a comment box. So it's so important, I think, and it's easy to provide information to others.